Good morning. I am on my way to run a few errands before I have to go into the restaurant today. It is just about 10 a.m. I have gone for a run. I have done some laundry. I've been pretty productive this morning. So, yeah. So, this morning I am drinking Vanilla Sky ketones, and I got a new bottle because my blue bottle, or my teal bottle, decided that it was going to crack. So I got the new bottle, and this time I decided that I'm going to use my gray bottle for water and this bottle for ketones in the morning because it has a shaker ball. So I think that will be really good. Yum. I think Vanilla Sky is becoming one of my favorites, other than Swiss cacao. So, anyhow, I talked to my mom this morning already. They left at 20 to 7. I woke up at 7:30. So they are just about at Medicine Hat, which is 5 hours away ish. Mom said they're going to stop there for a little bit, so I don't know how long a little bit is. My dad is pretty impatient when it comes to getting places, so I think they'll be here around 3-ish. So that should be fun. So, and my dad has a CPAP machine that we need to plug in and have room for. So I did that this morning. I figured it would just be like a standing machine, but it's just like a little table machine, so that's cool. It's new for him, so he is hopefully sleeping better with it. And hopefully all of us can sleep better with it. My dad, when he snores, it's super loud. Like, hear it next door super loud. So, this should be good. It's also good for him, too. And hopefully he does well this week. My mom said he's got a little bit of a cough. So, I'm going to try and give him some of my little cough remedy that I made a video for. You can find it, or if I think about it, I'll add it up in the cards or something. I take it whenever I have a sore throat or a cough, and it just the next day, or it might take a couple of days for him, I'm not sure, but I know I feel tons better after I drink it. So yeah. So anyways, I am driving a third of the way across the city today to go and get green peppers and plum sauce. Green peppers are for the restaurant. Well, they're probably for the stadium, but they're also for the restaurant as well, because we'll probably won't be prepping stadium veggies until Friday. So I might have to go pick up more green peppers before then. But GF has shorted us, so I gotta go pick them up. And the plum sauce is for the stadium. So yeah. So anyways, this week with my parents here and stuff, I will try and film my normal stuff. Like both my parents know that I film stuff. I might keep it shorter. We'll see. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. It depends on how much my parents want to be in the videos. I don't even know if they do. I might just end up filming food and more food and more food like I normally do, but sometimes, I might make something this week. I'm not sure. I want to make some egg loaves today. I was going to make them yesterday, but I just ran out of time. And so today, I think like this afternoon, before my parents get here, I might make them. Why do we have this here still? So there's like a huge bump in the road. Ugh. And I don't know why it's still there. Anyways. So yeah, so I want to make some egg loaves today. That is probably the last of my meal prep stuff that I want to do. And then I have all of... I have all that beef, I have all that chicken, I have all that bacon. I did 2 packages of bacon yesterday, so that's great. So we have meat snacks, and then, like I said, I bought lettuce for lettuce wraps and things, so that should be good. I don't know. Chris has bread, so I don't know if my dad is eating keto or not, so he'll probably just have bread as his sandwiches, but yeah. So I know my mom eats keto, or she'll eat keto while I'm around. So yes, I mean, she's doing good. She's not gaining any weight, which is awesome because the pills that she's on make her gain weight. And I saw some pictures of her that we had like a family thing. It was my great cousin 50th wedding anniversary. I think it's my great cousin. I'm not exactly sure how I'm related to them, but I know they're family. Anyways, my parents went to that last weekend, and they there's a cop up ahead. So anyways, they had some photos floating around, and my cousin Tracy sent them to me, and one of the photos was of my mom, and she looks thinner, so yay. So that's exciting. She has, I guess, kind of been doing sort of like really lazy keto since I started, and yeah, so, or just after I started, I guess. So yeah, it's going really good. The doctors have, like, she goes to a doctor for her diabetes, and her doctor lowered her diabetes meds by half just like 2 or 3 weeks ago. Stay in your own lane, you idiot. Sorry about that. So yeah, so that was really exciting. When she told me, I was like in tears because I don't want her to be on the medications. I mean, nobody does, right? But like, I think she became diabetic because of her weight. So it will be good if she can get to the point where she's not on diabetic medication, because she's only been diabetic for a few years. So yeah. So anyways, I am at Can Wholesale. So I'm probably going to shut... Oh, JP's here. Cool. I might have to go say hi. So yeah, so she has half her medication, which is awesome. And I am super excited for her to keep going with this journey. So yeah, so anyways, this video has been about 10 minutes of me driving, so I'm gonna let you guys go. Today, again, I'm gonna do an egg something for lunch, and then supper is salmon and salad. So I will see you guys when we eat. Hey guys, it's lunchtime, so I'm having a breakfast sandwich. I added some protein in there, just to reintroduce some more protein. And yeah, so I'm going to eat this for lunch, and I will see you when we have dinner. Hey guys, so here's dinner. I'm having salmon, a little bit of salmon skin, because that's the best part, and cauliflower rice. So I made this cauliflower rice from scratch, and I added parsley, garlic powder, and onion powder, and salt and pepper, and it's super good. I had a little bite before I started filming, so anyways, I'm gonna go and eat this, and if I have anything else for tonight, I will let you guys know. Otherwise, have a great night. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.